Hi kids, welcome to Bright Star Education. Are you ready to have some fun with words today? Before we start, ask your mummy or daddy to click the link in the description to visit our Bright Star Education TPT store. Download the PDF and print it out on a 4-size paper. Once you have your prints ready, grab your pencils and let's start matching. It's going to be so much fun. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. The goat is climbing up the rocky hill. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. A bat usually flies out of the cave at night. Deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. The deer ran quickly through the deep forest. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. The little pig is playing in the mud. Chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. The chicken laid an egg in the farm nest. Deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. The deer has beautiful spots and lives in the woods. Squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. Squirrel. The squirrel is hiding a nut inside the tree. Raccoon. R-A-C-C-O-O-N. Raccoon. The raccoon is looking for food in the garden at night. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. The cow gives us fresh milk every morning. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. The duck is swimming happily in the pond. Deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. Raccoon. R-A-C-C-O-O-N. Raccoon. A raccoon has a black mask around its eyes. Sugar glider. S-U-G-A-R-G-L-I-D-E-R. Sugar glider. A sugar glider can glide through the air from tree to tree. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. The hungry goat is eating the green grass. Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. An octopus has 8 long arms and lives in the ocean. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. The little fish is swimming through the colourful coral reef. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. The tiger has orange fur with black stripes. Bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. The bird is singing a beautiful song on the tree branch. Spider. S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider. A spider spins a sticky web to catch its food. Frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. The green frog can jump very high into the water. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. My dog wags its tail whenever I come home. Snail. S-N-A-I-L. Snail. A snail moves very slowly and carries its house on its back. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. The cat likes to sleep in a sunny spot on the floor. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. I ate a crunchy red apple for my snack. Coffee. C-O-F-F-E-E. Coffee. The smell of hot coffee fills the kitchen in the morning. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. The rabbit has long ears and loves to eat carrots. Turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. The turtle hides inside its hard shell when it is scared. Box. B-O-X. Box. I put all my old toys inside a large cardboard box. Pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Please use a pencil to write your name on the paper. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. The sun is a giant star that gives us light and heat. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. A small rat ran across the floor and hid behind the door. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. The monkey is swinging from one branch to another. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. The moon looks very bright and round in the night sky. Palm. P-A-L-M. Palm. There is a tall palm tree growing near the sandy beach. Trash. T-R-A-S-H. Trash. We should always put our trash in the bin to keep the city clean. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. A camel can travel for a long time in the desert without water. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. I am reading an exciting book about space travel. Mirror. M-I-R-R-O-R. Mirror. I looked in the mirror to brush my hair this morning. Wow, what a great job you all did. You're all little bright stars. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Bright Star Education for more fun learning adventures. You can find more worksheets in our TPT store. The link is in the description below. See you next time. Bye-bye, little stars.